ecosystem services, and it's our next lesson. The goal of this is to describe ecosystem services and the results of those, or results of human disruptions to those services. Basically, an ecosystem service is the things that the environment does for us that we don't have to pay for it. We don't go up to a tree and be like, excuse me, I'd like some oxygen, here's $3. They just do it, right? But we definitely benefit from that oxygen being created by the tree. There are 4 different categories: provisioning, regulating, cultural, and supporting. Provisioning is the stuff that we get, the products obtained, such as food, fresh water, wood, fiber, genetic resources, medicine, oxygen as well. Regulating is all the stuff that the environment does to control climate, natural hazard regulation, water purification, waste management, pollination, pest control, all just like the processes to regulate the earth. Cultural looks at the non-material benefits that people get from the ecosystems, which is just going outside on a nice day and just feeling happy, or going canoeing like these happy people, or hiking, or sitting under the shade of a tree, just, enjoying nature, enjoying how pretty it is, anything like that. And supporting looks at nutrient cycling, so the biogeochemical cycles, how carbon moves around, and nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, water cycling, evaporation, precipitation, transpiration, runoff, percolation, all that. Soil formation, because we definitely need soil to grow our crops, and photosynthesis. So we rely on photosynthesis as the basis of the food chain to give us our oxygen for plants to survive, like, the crops that we need. And unfortunately, sometimes humans come along and, for short-term gain, can disrupt those ecosystem services. So, for example, the Amazon rainforest. It's been in the news a lot lately because of the fires. So the reason they set these fires is to make room for pastures or farms to grow crops, because it's a great place to grow stuff. However, it's got really, really poor soil, and we'll talk more about why when we get to the soil unit. But because it has such poor soil, that's why they keep having to, rotate around to different plots of land, and that's why they're not satisfied with just like a little bit of the rainforest. It has to constantly be replaced. However, the Amazon rainforest provides this area with a cooler temperature than would be expected in that latitude. Provides a lot of oxygen. Maybe not all of the oxygen in the world, but it's still a significant amount. Amazon rainforest is a source of food. A lot of our food comes from this area. Not always in great ways, but it does come from there. It supports a high amount of biodiversity. It is the most biodiverse biome in the world. But when we destroy these large areas of habitat, all those species are severely threatened. I'm blanking right now, but I know there's more. Honestly, if you just want to pause and Google Amazon rainforest benefits, there's a whole bunch of them. But the point of this is, because we mow down these large areas of the Amazon rainforest, they can no longer provide those ecosystem services, and that does have economic and ecological consequences. Alright, now it's your turn to describe ecosystem services and the result of human disruption to these services. The end.